If you're trying to cut out vibration entirely from your Samsung phone or just want to limit it for certain functions, you have come to the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to disable all vibration settings on your device. Let's jump in. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Then, scroll down a bit to find the Sounds and Vibration option. Next, tap on Sounds and Vibration. After that, you can easily turn off vibration while your phone is ringing from the menu. Now, scroll down a little further. Next, tap on Call Vibration. Then, to specifically turn off call vibration, just choose the silent option. Now, go back to the previous screen. After that, scroll down a bit more. Next, tap on System Vibration. Then, turn off all the toggles here to disable vibrations for system functions. And there you have it. That's how you can turn off all vibration settings on your Samsung phone. If you run into any questions or need more help, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for sticking around. Catch you in the next guide.